You and I both know that a crappy looking listing is unappealing to most buyers. They're harder to sell, sit on the market for longer, and the offers, well, they can be lowball. And none of this is good for you, for your reputation, for your average days on market, or for your vendor who's made the commitment to sell and just wants to see the sold sign on the board. Hello, this is Robin Danielle, and welcome to Seller's Edge. Over the past 10 years as a home staging consultant and renovator, I've been into nearly 3,000 homes as I help vendors present what is likely to be their greatest asset for sale. This journey has shown me that there is a significant shortfall in know-how by both the seller and often the agent on how to really showcase a property to the buying market. Our Seller's Edge clients have been able to unlock tremendous uplift in value as well as decrease time on market by increasing how desirable their property is to the buying market. Question for you. As an agent, would you prefer to avoid those difficult conversations with vendors about the condition or aesthetic of their property? Most agents answered that question with a wholehearted yes, but we know that if you say too much, too soon, you run the risk of offending the vendor and worse, potentially losing the listing. Vendors deserve to know the truth, and the truth may hurt a little, but with some pain comes great gains. Does their property smell of dog or cooking? Is it dark, dingy, dirty or confusing? We know, we see it all the time, and that's what's obvious to us in the real estate sector but might not be obvious to our vendors. We have an obligation to be real. The Seller's Edge Pledge. We do solemnly declare to make your life easier. Seller's Edge will work with your vendor on the planning, preparation and the all-essential presentation of the property. We will focus on the macro items such as street appeal, painting and colour palette, carpet, flooring, lighting, finishes and the flow of the prospective buyer traffic as they come through the open for inspections. And of course, we must remember the staging. We strongly believe that staging or styling the property for its sales campaign is one of the smartest and best short-term investment strategies your vendors can make. So let's remember why we're doing this. It's all about taking everyday homes in everyday suburbs and making them appeal to the largest pool of buyers out there and creating a property that buyers will feel emotionally drawn to because that's where you and your vendor reap the benefits. And finally, the Seller's Edge involvement allows you, the agent, to get on with doing what you do best: listing, negotiating, selling and being that champion for the home without getting caught up in the nitty-gritty detail. It's just not your one thing. So please go ahead, get in touch, let us know what problems you face as an agent so we can tailor a solution for you. This is Robin Danielle for Seller's Edge, helping you and your vendors attract more buyers with more money in less time.